I'm here at the Connect America Summit in Panama City, and I'm very pleased to be joined by Joslyn Reed, who's Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, the O3b networks. Joslyn, thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you very much for having me.
I'd like to start off by asking you about your presence here at the Connect America Summit and why you think it's important.
You know, O3b Networks has got such an exciting message to share with the people of the summit as well as the region. We're going to be launching a new satellite system in 2013, early on, and it's going to be bringing a really innovative, paradigm-shifting technology, satellite connectivity, straight to rural communities that are not connected today to the internet.
What are the particular challenges here you're facing in the Connect Americas region?
Well, we've got certainly have quite a lot of regulatory challenges. We are very enthusiastic about the reception that we're receiving, however, from many governments who see us as an important and critical part of their broadband plans. Mobile operators are seeing opportunities here for extending their reach to also be able to satisfy needs in the rural communities. Internet service providers, and of course now we're developing into the maritime business as well.
And in terms of the region itself, we're talking about very large areas, large rural areas that need to be reached, and also language barriers, etc. I mean, what are the main things that you're coming across on a regular basis? Well,
you've put your finger on what's so perfect about satellite communications for rural services. We have on this satellite system of O3b, we have steerable beams, so we can actually take the beams and put it exactly where it needs to go in the rural communities, in the Amazon, on island nations, in landlocked countries, and be able to connect them directly into the global internet. It's very exciting.
And in terms of your vision for the future, what do you hope to see happening in the region?
Well, we're going to continue to build into it. Our first 8 satellites, as I said, will be launching in March and April of next year, and service will start in the summertime. We have 4 more satellites on offer, are being under construction at the moment. And by adding more satellites, and we'll be able to add more beams, be able to put more capacity down for the use of connecting the unconnected here.
That's brilliant.
Yes.
And in terms of a message, have you got a message you'd like to convey to our uniquely influential audience here?
Well, O3b's satellites really do bring very high bandwidth, up to 1.2 gigabits per beam, to a very concise area of 700 kilometers. So we're able to provide very high bandwidth, very high speed internet, very low latency because we're a non-geostationary middle Earth orbit. That means actually a 4 times faster signal than if you were to provide this over geostationary. The difference of the feel of this communication, of this low latency, is if you were to take the front page of a newspaper, you could download it in 8 seconds over the O3b network and 37 seconds over a geostationary satellite. So you can really feel how different that is. It's a dramatic change in communications. As a result of us also having a lower orbit, we're going to have smaller satellites, lower launch costs. With the higher bandwidth, we're really going to bring lower cost price points for our customers. We expect that's going to bring us down to about 30% cheaper than geostationary satellite capacity today. It's a tremendous value proposition for governments, mobile operators, telecom operators, and internet service providers.
It all sounds very exciting. I wish you the very best of luck, and thank you very much for being with us today.
Yeah, very kind of you. Thank you.